In today's world, it's common to see people taking pictures and videos inside restaurants. Many turn to social media platforms to find new places to eat and drink. Welcome to 7 Shifts Academy, guided lessons for restaurant workers, owners, and operators to gain the knowledge they need to grow their business and succeed in their careers. In the last video, we went over 4 social media ideas for restaurants, like sharing customer content and stories about your staff. Here are 4 more ways you can improve your presence on these apps and dominate a competitive space. Idea number 1, share recipes and cooking tips. Using your platform to share cooking tips and recipes is one of the best social media ideas for restaurants because it provides value to your followers. If your restaurant has a cookbook, sharing a recipe is an excellent way to promote the cookbook. You can share a photo of a dish and link it to the recipe or write it in the post caption. Take it one step further with a multiple photo post to walk followers through the recipe step by step. Or channel your inner Food Network star and upload a video of the chef cooking and explaining the recipe. Jennifer Crawford is a great example. The MasterChef winner built a brand around sharing recipes and cooking tips from home with their almost 16,000 followers. In this post, Jennifer teased a donaire, commonly known as a donor outside of Canada, recipe with several photos. They also linked to an article containing the recipe in their bio. Number 2, talk about causes you support. Sharing your restaurant's values is a terrific way to connect with customers. When a mission drives your restaurant is more than just a business. It's a group of people trying to make an impact in their community. Don't be afraid to let your restaurant's values shine through by highlighting causes that your business supports on social media. For example, Clean Juice showed their support for the Black Lives Matter movement after George Floyd's death with this post. Besides supporting BLM, they also envisioned a world that runs on organic food that they talk about in their podcast. Number 3, engage with followers. This is as simple as responding to their comments and messages. Doing this regularly makes your social media channels a forum for discussion, community, and customer service, rather than just being a billboard for your company. Use social media to gather feedback with which you can improve the restaurant. Because not all restaurants take the time to engage with followers. Doing this can make you stand out and increase customer loyalty. Solicit feedback with a call to action like "let us know what you think" or comment below in the captions and videos. New York City's Westfield typically includes a question in its caption for customers to answer. After they get a few comments, they follow up by responding to them or liking them. Lastly, hold a social media contest. There are a few ways to do this. You could host a giveaway on your own or partner with another business to cross-promote. The prize can be as simple as a gift card or an exclusive experience, like a romantic dinner for 2 on Valentine's Day. You could sweeten the deal by partnering with a local florist and adding flowers to the prize package. In your caption, immediately let followers know that you're giving something away. Use hashtag giveaway and hashtag contest in the caption to increase the reach of your post. Tell followers what they need to do to enter the contest. The most common entry methods are to follow you and tag a friend in the comments. This technique helps you grow your following and exposes your restaurants to friends of your followers. Alternatively, you can ask followers to enter the giveaway by sharing a post or Instagram story. Let's say you're having a pet Halloween costume contest online. You can ask followers to share photos of their pets dressed up in cute outfits, tag your restaurant, and use the contest hashtag. The post with the most likes wins the giveaway. In one example, Oath Pizza partnered with a plant-based meal delivery service to give away food from both businesses. They created a fun, simple video that flashes between their pizzas and dishes from their meal delivery partner. In the caption, they used sun emojis to draw attention to the giveaway. They placed simple instructions in the caption so that followers understand how to enter the contest. Followers can increase their chances by sharing Oath Pizza's post to their Instagram stories, which gives their post more reach. Restaurants need to be on social media, but because there's so much competition, it takes a lot to make people stop scrolling and pay attention to your content. Make your post memorable by showing what your restaurant stands for and sharing kitchen tips and tricks. Don't forget to engage with customers in your comments and incorporate their feedback to improve your business. Thank you so much for watching. For more on marketing in the restaurant and hospitality industry, subscribe to the 7 Shifts YouTube channel. Want to show off your knowledge? Sign up for 7 Shifts Academy to access free course material with quizzes and certificates. And don't forget to check the description box for links to other useful resources.